Sunugin ko yung mga bahay ninyo. Bukto pa. Ganyan yan. Kaya lumabas itong ngayong mga kriminal, mga bata, they are so daring and so bold that they know not, wala na yung maskara. That is pasay. Bahaw na. Ngayon, punta ka doon pag-hold up. Because they were the young boys in and out, without even a lecture of what you should ought to be. So they do not realize whenever they commit the wrong, they do not realize at all that you have a responsibility to your country. Wala lang. And these mga human rights, that ought to have been the target. They should have collected these boys and fed them, quartered them. If they would apply for a thing like that, a halfway house, the court can always grant it. Instead of counting the carcass of the criminals, they begin to shout extrajudicial killing. How about the innocent? How many innocents were killed by these drug addict criminals? Sabihin ko sa iyo, mas marami. And more brutal and more totally unacceptable to the people and to me. I will admit that. Hindi ko kaya. That's why itong adik, kayong mga pulis, putang ina ninyo, lumabas kayo dyan. I love the police. I will die for the police. In Marawi, there was trouble. I was with them. Tinaramaan pa ang helicopter ko ng bala na butas. I was there with you. But you start to screw the Filipino, tapos tutulong kayo mga generals. Tapos ito naman si Line, she made an asshole of herself. The day I appointed her, what did she do? She went to the embassy of the United Nations. Then she told us that she wanted to talk to the UN, and she was inviting personalities. She was not solving any problem at all. Mind you, what are you afraid of me? Me afraid of you? No, I'm afraid that if you stay long there, you will just, that office does not require you to fight criminals. Pero kung gusto niya, okay man, siya ang mag-lead para tapos na ang problema ko. Siya lang ang mag-lead at magbigay ng direksyon. But she was not allowed to just talk and talk and talk. You know, we have repudiated the International Criminal Court. And I said, you cannot prosecute me for 1,000 years. Lumabas tayo through me. I admit. Hindi nila ako mas bright ako sa kanila. Pinapagigyan ko yung mga abogado noon, napaparid pa pati left. Extrajudicial. Sabi ko, sige lang. And to believe, I was waiting for a law